How to enable tab groups in Mozilla Firefox. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox and then go to search bar on top and type in about column config. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on accept the risk and continue, which is at the bottom. After you've pressed on accept the risk and continue, in here you'll find search preference name. In here, type in browser.tabs.groups.enabled. You'll find true pop up. If there is false, you can simply click on two arrows and it will turn into true. Simply close the tab, open new tab, and you'll be able to simply create group. Right click on any tab you want to create group and then click on add tab to new group. After that, you can create group name and colors. And this is how to enable tab groups in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.